Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to add serial ports in a router. So first you have to double click, switch off your router and come to below. Here you can see WIC2T. Click it and hold your mouse right button and leave it. Now again on it. Now your router has been added. Go to config. Here you can see our ports are added. So now here also. So now come to here. So click it. Come not present. Do same procedure. Off it and come to below. Hold your left key. Leave it on it. Now these are added. Here you can see. So ports are added. Here you can see. So this was our video about how to add serial ports in a router. So if you liked video, so please like it, share it, comment it and subscribe channel. Thank you for watching.